Hey there, welcome to Take 2. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can make or post carousels in LinkedIn. So, carousels are, you know, slightly more appealing and interactive way to post stuff. So, there is no uh, straight way to get carousels in your LinkedIn. So, first, what you need to do is, let's say you're gonna post a multiple pictures in a carousel. So, what you need to do is go on and make a PDF of those multiple pictures. So, just create a PDF and include multiple pictures, those pictures which you want to do or present as a carousel. So you get a PDF file, just start a post normally, say, you know, and then you're gonna click on plus right there, and then click on add a document. So now you're gonna choose that .pdf file. From here, you'll open a little tab like that, and you just choose that PDF file and click on done. So what that does is it will present your PDF file as a carousel with your pictures, making it interactive. So that's how you post a carousel in LinkedIn. Also, you can use third-party apps or like Hootsuite and some of the stuff like that. There's a lot of websites and softwares that can post carousel for you in LinkedIn. So if this content helps you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.